Yo, as a Jamaican, me must can comment on the fuckery me see a go on in a dance hall right now. You understand me? I say because this back and forth with artists and selectors and the fans, it not gone away. Right about now, the only people who benefit from this back and forth with the artists and the selector them are the vlogger them alone that benefit, you understand, because them get content. You understand me I say? Brother, first and foremost, me I say this to Ladykilla, Zane. And even Mr. Vegas, me I say this. All the energy, and even your conscience, all the energy we wanna waste a compass social media and I try to respond to people and I try answer people and I try prove say not shaky. Brother, wanna put all those effort in the studio and build some songs. You understand me I say? And that's enough for them. The reason why Vybz Kartel are winning and will always win is because Vybz Kartel been putting out music, all if them not hit, every fucking day Vybz Kartel put out a new song or two new songs. And he's been doing this ever since in bus until now. You understand me I say? You don't need to know how to keep yourself current by making music and putting out music instead of the social media a trace like a Tracy. You understand me I say? And that you don't need for the brother. You understand me I say? You don't sit down on the net every day, big old artists. You know some big old artists in a star. You know spend more time on TikTok and YouTube tracing each other when you should have been in the studio and build some songs. You understand me I say? Are really this dancehall music gone to, brother? Are this dancehall music gone to? Brother, it don't make no sense. You don't try compete with Vybz Kartel because them man your work ethic is manageable. You understand me I say? It don't make no sense to even try compete with Vybz Kartel. You understand me I say? It better you just try build some song, put out some music. Ladykilla, let me tell you this. You're not half lyrical like Vybz Kartel. One thing you have over Vybz Kartel, Ladykilla, are the big old heavy voice. So when you go on like you want to clash with Vybz Kartel, make no sense, bro. As a matter of fact, I not feel like Vybz Kartel are going to look your way because the man don't tell him already. Him no clash with nobody. The man not even do no war song, no gun song again. You understand me I say? So if that you know wait pan, you know go wait until thy kingdom come. You understand me I say? Ladykilla is a grandfather, brother. Likewise, Vybz Kartel. Enjoy your legacy, brother, and watch your grandkids them grow. And stop the fuckery on the internet because it no look good, brother. It no look good. That's why I tell you, say, yo, you look like footer hype. No way am I saying, no. Because you said that link up there where the whole I want to make with DJ Khaled. Fucking fake. Fucking fake. Nothing ever real about the blood clot link up there. You all on a blood clot in here, you know. Deep down inside and genuinely, I feel like the only fake person that was there in that link up there was Vybz Kartel, you know. You understand me I say? Because you can see the joy upon his face. If you link up with the brother them, you see me I say? But the rest of you know, fake as fuck. Especially you, Ladykilla. You understand me I say? As far as me concerned right now, it seems to me as if you're never really happy. Say Ladykilla blood. Say Vybz Kartel get released from prison. You're never happy. You're sad as fuck. You know what mad the whole of you? May I tell you what mad the whole of you? Vybz Kartel spent 13 years in a blood clot jail. Then, and the whole of the road in the free fucking world. And the man come out and take 1 year 1 fucking year. And the amount where the man accumulate in that 1 year. Uno never do it in a 13 fucking years. And somehow you don't even do it now in the whole blood clot career. I want to free in the free world. That a bad mind, you know. But what I want to forget, you know, is that what is for you is for you. You understand me, I say? And that you need to understand. Another thing you need to understand. You see the work you put in, brother? The work you put in, it go manifest. You understand me, I say? Vybz Kartel been putting in the work from day one, and all of them day jail, him find a way to stay relevant. You understand me, I say? The man scored goal from behind the blood-clad walls of hell. The man there prison and been putting out blood-clad song. You understand me, I say? The man come a road and a beat on a bad to blood clot. And a that a the whole I want to star. A that a the whole I want to, you know. But here what go on. Me I tell you this. Because me myself, me a blood clot Capricorn and we can see through fucking people. Vybz Kartel see through the whole I want to and him knows he want to fake as fuck. The whole I want to fake as fuck. You understand me I say? But the killer, you have a bad mind pussy hole, you know. You understand me I say? That's how your blood clot head peel out. Yeah. But we can understand still. We can understand because here what go on now. Vybz Kartel come out from jail and him a the man been touring the blood clot world and me know say you probably feel a way say boy. Yeah, a Vybz Kartel time but I had the general, him could have really, you know, book up on some of them show there still. Cause really and truly, probably if I did me in a situation, would have feel a way to me. I say, yo, look how much blood clot bookings the man I get and him a go on like him alone. You understand me? I say, he would even try book the 5-star general and, you know, bring me across Europe with the man, you know? Yeah. So I understand. A feelings do not care for blood clot Vybz Kartel. Feelings. You understand me? I say? But me I telling you this man, the energy we I use. A trace like a blood clot tracy, put those energy in the studio and go build some blood clot song like God is the greatest. You understand me? I say, uno no sister Kartel na pay, uno no bomba clot mine, uno no shame. Vybz Kartel, na pay, uno no blood clot mine. Ladykilla, you send massacre half a blood clot Vybz Kartel, and you realize it no work. So now you come pull up some all blood clot video, like you want come attack him yourself, see? Like you want a war with Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel no want a war with your brother. Vybz Kartel no want a war with nobody. The man go and enjoy him blood clot life and him millions and enjoy him blood clot kids them and him freedom. You understand me I say? Right about now Vybz Kartel living in Florida, you understand me I say? And trust me, I can see right through many of you. You know what draw Vybz Kartel in the mud. You know what Vybz Kartel start the war and then it spread in the blood clot streets like what happened with the Gully and the Gaza in Jamaica. And the next thing you know, Uncle Sam start pre-Vybz Kartel. You understand me I say? Because remember, you know, the fans them dark, you know. The fans them dark. Dark like fucking midnight. Can you imagine a blood clot war gonna start now with Vybz Kartel and any other artist? Whether Vybz Kartel or the blood clot, Crocodile or whoever, the alliance, start a war and the next thing you know, people start dead because one side I say them a alliance, one side I say them a Gaza, or one side I say them a Crocodile and the other one I say them a Gaza, and the war gonna start and see people start get stabbed up and shot up and, you know, people but start fly, you gonna hear some boy at Vybz Kartel, and then Uncle Sam start pre-Vybz Kartel. Yo, Vybz Kartel smarter than the whole of you. The man smart than and the whole of you need to go educate yourself. Like how Vybz Kartel educate himself and know say, yo, most of you don't want what is best for the artist. The man come out from jail and live his best life. In best life. And I enjoy him life and I enjoy him family and I enjoy him freedom. And every day, yo, the man must have wear hearing aid to blood clot because right now the man ear supposed to deaf. Every day I want to depend the man name from him come out of jail until now. Every day. On the leg of the man shirt, brother. On the leg of the man shirt and go on need to go start work hard like the man. On not see how much song the man drop. How much song the man drop. A whole heap of good song the man drop and it could have been some mega hit song. But here what go on. Enough people still not play a Vybz Kartel song because them hate him. Enough of a little pussy will come talk about from Vybz Kartel come out of jail. Him no drop no hit song. Lie you know a blood cartel because most of the blood clot song that Vybz Kartel song drop. That's some nice blood clot song. Remember me tell you. Some nice blood clot girl song the man drop. But because they're so fucking corrupt and evil. Yo, I know how I supposed to go down pound on me at night time and I pray and I beg God for you to take him. I tell you because I never see a set of blood clot people like Uno. Where the fuck can I get the man for? Eh? Look how far the past is. And a big old blood clot dinosaurs like you, Ladykilla, gonna dig up the blood clot past and I shot your fuckery. Just because Vybz Kartel fans them out here and beat you. Eh? Where the fuck you want Vybz Kartel do? Him care blood what do you want him do? Come out, come blood clot, put out the public announcement and say, yo, Gaza fans don't leave Kartel alone, don't leave Ladykilla alone. And that you want the man for do? And that you want the man do? Brother, as long as Kartel now come out, come this you shouldn't even try involve Kartel, brother, because you know how the fans them stay. You have fans who disrespect Kartel. Kartel have fans who disrespect you. You understand me? I just saw the blood clot thing go. As a blood clot big old man, right now you're probably still there, Florida. You could have picked up your phone and call Kartel and say, yo, link up. And you and the man sit down and shush out certain things because guess what? Me sure know say you're smart enough if you know say the fans them are going with all of these fuckery. That's all you have to do in a call Vybz Kartel and link up and sit down and talk out things instead of come post all your fuckery from 19 blood clot all long. All your fuckery. This just goes to show you say yo you're a pussy. You see me I say? And you there Freedom Street I big up the man and I talk about new king of blood, new king has risen. Move your bumper clot and go away. You understand me I say? We're not too corrupt in this blood clot dancehall industry. And that a blood clot beat enough for you. And because Kartel heart blood clot clean and him is a genuine blood clot artist, that's why I'm a beat to so blood clot bad and will always beat to no. We're not gonna learn how the blood clot work hard. You see me I say? Stop, yo, bumper clot. We're not go into the studio go make some blood clot song, brother. And stop trace for blood clot internet like you know a blood clot girl. Bumper clot Ladykilla. What the fuck? Yo, you hear me, man? We don't do better than that because it no fucking look good. If you see one of the blood clot social media, a trace like a blood clot tracy. What the fuck?